Welcome to Power and Control, manufacturer and exporter of polycarbonate plugs and sockets. We are an ISO 9001-2000 certified company, established in the year 1982. Our extensive R&D and sound infrastructure make us stand apart from all brands. Spacious warehousing, competitive pricing and wide client base are the key features of our organization. American President Lines, Barbership Management, and Hyundai Shipping Limited are some of our prestigious clients. We offer a wide variety of sockets and 3-pole and trip switch with socket 45. 4-pole 3-phase N-trip switch with socket plane, and 3-phase MCB sockets distribution panels offered by us that are extremely reliable. We also provide 3-pole N and 2-pole plus N switch with socket plane that are available at affordable prices. Along with that, we offer male plugs and 2-pole, 3-pole, 4-pole, with neutral switch with socket 45 degree. Our 24-point spanel and gang box of sockets are in huge demand across the global markets. For more information, log on at www.powerandcontrol.co.in.